Hi guys, hi everyone, how you doing? Look at like Mary Ann. Yeah, neighbor. Anyways, how you all doing? I hope you're doing okay. Today is Monday morning, and this week, I'm just going to start this vlog as a week in my life because this week promises to be very eventful and productive. Yeah, because I have I'm sweating by the way. The weather is so hot here in Lagos, Nigeria. In fact, in Nigeria entirely, the weather is very hot. So on Wednesday, I have a premiere to attend. Friday, I have a premiere to attend. So I just thought it would be nice to start this vlog showing you all my face and how I resume work. So I know some of you are a little bit confused because I told you guys that I work in a radio station. I still do, but I've not been present. I have not been available for a while now because I got like a new offer to work with a media brand, and I am being I am being accepted the way I am because they are not looking for someone who is perfect. They're just looking for someone who is professional and who is passionate about the job. So I decided to grab the offer and work with this media brand. And tomorrow, the thing is, I was told at the radio station since I work as a volunteer, right? It's a voluntary job. I was told to be coming 3 times in a week. For those of you who are not aware, the hike in fuel price here in Nigeria is really alarming. So transportation is very expensive, very cost. Okay, it's costly here. So now the days I have off here in my media space, I will make myself available at the radio station tomorrow. Now today's Monday, tomorrow now I'm not going to work. I'm not coming here to shoot, so I'll be in the radio station and definitely the days that I'll be on air. So I don't have time to be wasting my money because it's like they just want me to come and sit and be looking. So until I have my own show, that's what I'm really looking out for. Yeah. So please support the brand that I work with, Souls Media. I'm going to put their social media handle on the screen. So when you see me, holla at your girl, okay? I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys. I'll see you guys in the middle of the vlog or speak.
Okay, so let me ask this question first. The question is, does a person's sexual history truly determine their ability to be faithful?
Else. So it would determine, it's a character that will determine. Then let me touch a little bit on the main topic.
Yeah.
Can a woman who have had so many sexual
Partners
partners
be a good wife?
Now, why are we talking about a woman? Why is not a man? Because if you look at it, to be honest, it is men that will have more sexual partners. The women is men, yeah. The question should be why is a man? Because it's men.
Probably next time.
Now
Before I share my 2 cents.
Okay.
When it's a man, the people will applaud the men
true.
Now sharp guy now, he don't like more than one woman. But why is it that when it's a woman, she's referred to as a prostitute?
It starts with a bad term.
Why should your wife's or your girlfriend's sex history matter to you?
It does.
It depends. Oh, it does? Okay.
Yes.
It depends on what you are looking out for in a partner. If she has it, then that shouldn't be a problem.
No, because
find out
when you have a girl child,
okay,
a girl child is trained to be virtuous, to worship her man, to see the man as the king. He's
okay,
a crown on your head.
So the man should not be trained to be virtuous, right?
He's a king.
No,
He's a king. So women
has multiple kingdoms.
Wow. So women are meant to keep themselves to be modest, and men are meant to explore and be adventurous. Really?
That's how you're
There's one thing that I'm even afraid I don't really like to quote the Bible.
Really?
But for this one, I'm tempted to quote it, but not
No, because
a
woman is trained. When Adam was created, he had the whole Garden of Eden. He could, walk majestically. He was the owner. He was the king of the kingdom.
No, he was running the Garden of Eden.
Yes. Then a woman was brought to support, to say, okay, go and fetch firewood. This man needs to eat. he needs to relax. Go and, pamper him, take care of him. That is her job. Now, when you now have a girl child, you train that girl child in that pattern. That this is, in the olden days, they are sometimes betrothed and saying that, okay, we are training you for this madness.
Yes.
So you are being nurtured in that line. Told that, no follow two men, no follow one man, no do this, so behave yourself. That is how it is.
Okay, so
that is why we question a woman's character. That for you, you are not even supposed to have multiple sexual partners.
So are you trying to say that?
No, you know what?
Are you trying to say that multiple sexual partner equate to a woman's character?
Do you know?
Can a leopard change the skin?
Really? Do you? Okay, what if there are circumstances that surround a sexual history?
Let's even
circumstances.
Yes.
Let's even
really?
Accept. When you talk about the woman having multiple sexual partners, the multiple sexual partner, are they men or women?
Why
men?
But beauty.
To be very honest, why do you care so? Why do you care so much about the woman's body count?
If we are not careful now,
just like what I said. Let me go back to what I said. Yes. It depends on what you are looking out for in a woman. Does she has a quality that you want? And then if she has a quality, let bygone be bygone. That's a pass.
No. Let me tell you something. I understand.
So it's okay for men to have several sexual partners, but it's not okay for women.
I understand where you're coming from, but also understand one thing. Yes, I want my woman. I want this character in my woman.
Okay.
I want a woman that is, intelligent, beautiful, smart, to continue the journey.
I will coach you on that.
No,
I will coach you on that.
What if with the multiple partners she has not gained experience to know how to handle you in the other room? Because isn't that what you're looking for?
To be very honest,
it's just part of it. Let me because I might not be able to satisfy. Taste board.
You see the way
your
men
taste
think.
board is also high that
men think women have.
I cannot even satisfy you, and it becomes a problem because you might have all the qualities, but because of that dissatisfaction, that this man can not satisfy me, it might end the whole marriage.
There's possibility.
So we're done with today's event. What's your business? What is your business? How does my business concern you? I think the office phone is inside the car. I am filming.
Don't forget to return to your guy. Very important.
Guys, I just got back from a movie premiere and I'm going to sleep in the office. My YouTube people, Mona says I dey hustle. Okay, just like I was telling you all, and it does say, you people, you see, as I'm hustling, I'm supposed to go home, but I want to bring it down because I heard that here in Agigi, the boys are theft. English theft. I do leave combo today. As well, look. By the way, that's Kelvin, my colleague at the background, representing Sales Media. I'm filming for YouTube actually. Yeah, it's the aeroplane. So we went inside the cinema to see the movie. The other side of the bridge. That's the title of the movie, right? Yeah. So the other side of the bridge. Okay, the bridge. I think it's the other side of the bridge. Yes. See people go. I change over. Make I sleep. Oh yes. All lights. Me there. Every time they talk. So I'm so happy that I'm filming all of this process, so that this year I will go back to my YouTube and see my and I go say, God, I thank you. We overcame. So guys, I'm about to go to bed. God, you know what sleep not the cashew. About to go to bed. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow or whenever we get to see again. I know this vlog has just been all over the place, too many quality, please pardon. God, I cannot wait till the day I'm going to actually change my phone. I can't wait, honestly. I'll be very happy. Sleep. See you next time.